Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Tonight, I would to convey about the content of the journal. The title of the journal is A Correlation Study of Reading Comprehension with Speaking Skill in English Class at Vocational High School. In the introduction point, I want to explain about the author concern and the problem research. Students in vocational high school are required to learn their vocational skill and English language as foreign language to prepare their potential profession or job. And then the problem research. The researchers address some specific problem dealing with the correlation between reading comprehension as follows. The first, is there any significant correlation between reading comprehension with speaking skill in English class at 10th grade? And then the second, to what extent does reading comprehension contribute to speaking skills and vocational high school students? Well, we continue in second point. In this point, I will to explain about the method, population and sample, data collection, and the last is results or finding. This research was conducted through a quantitative method and used the correlation study as research design. And then the population of this study was all 10th grade students in vocational high school in Surabaya, but the researchers only choose 35 students of 10th grade in an electrical power installation engineering major who take an English class. The data were collected by tests given to the students. For the reading comprehension test, the student must read a story and answer the question based on the story. And then the researchers give some pictures, and then the students must choose one of their favorite picture. And then the last is the students should to describe the picture that he chose before. The present study evidence that there is a correlation between reading comprehension and speaking abilities. The current study found that a significant correlation and the relationship strength was high. The coefficient correlation is 0.610, and it means that the results above are positive. Before I continue to the conclusion, if any of you have the questions, you can ask me in this session. Go ahead. Please mention your name and the questions.
My name is Lopadinata. I want to ask, my question is, why the author conduct the research?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Lopa, for the questions. And I will to answer the questions. Based on the journal, why the author conduct the research? Because the researchers wants to determine the extent to which reading comprehension contributes to speaking skill at vocational high school students. Well, we continue to conclusion of this research. So the relation between the two variables there are reading comprehension and speaking skill are unidirectional. The finding illuminates that if reading comprehensions increase and the speaking skill will also increase. Therefore, the teacher must give more chance to the students, especially in reading comprehensions, because through reading, the students will have the better vocabulary knowledge, and they can increase their speaking skill in the future. Well, I think that's all. Thank you for your attention and your participation to join this meeting. I hope my explanation will give you value in your life. Thank you and good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Evening.